Self-trust isn't something you have, it's something you build. And if you don't trust yourself right now, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means something important has been interrupted. Most people think self-trust is confidence, but it's not about believing you're capable. It's about believing you'll follow through. Today, I want to explain why self-trust fades and how to rebuild it in a real, practical way. You lose trust in yourself the same way you lose trust in anyone else, through inconsistency. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. You say you'll change this time. You promise you'll do better. And then you don't. Not because you don't care, but because life gets tough, energy drops, motivation fades. Over time, your mind learns a pattern. My words don't mean much. And when that happens, even simple commitments start to feel hard. Most people try to rebuild self-trust with motivation. They wait to feel inspired. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel confident. But self-trust isn't built in emotional peaks. It's built in ordinary moments. You don't regain trust by making bigger promises. You regain it by keeping smaller ones. Self-trust is built on one thing: evidence. Not positive thinking, not affirmations, evidence. Every time you do what you said you would do, even when it's uncomfortable, you give your brain proof that you are reliable. And every time you overpromise and underdeliver, you weaken that relationship with yourself. The goal isn't intensity, it's credibility. Start embarrassingly small. If you say you'll wake up earlier, wake up 10 minutes earlier. If you say you'll exercise, do 5 minutes. If you say you'll journal, write 1 sentence. Make promises you can keep on your worst days. Because consistency builds trust, and trust builds confidence, not the other way around. When self-trust grows, everything shifts. Decisions become clearer, discipline feels lighter, self-doubt loses its power. You stop negotiating with yourself all day, because you know when you decide something, you'll follow through. That's real confidence, quiet, grounded, stable. So here's your challenge. Today, make one small promise to yourself and keep it. Not to impress anyone, not to transform your life overnight, just to prove to yourself that your word still matters. Comment below what's one small promise you can keep today. If you want more videos on mindset, self-discipline, and building a stronger relationship with yourself, subscribe and turn on notifications. Self-trust isn't something you find, it's something you earn, one kept promise at a time. I'll see you in the next video.